Everyone wants to make money online, but they have to learn complete digital marketing to make money. And guess what? They are completely wrong. What if I told you that in just 60 days, you can secure a job, start a SEO agency, or grow your business by learning only one specialized skills? That is SEO. And you can do this without investing full day in learning, wasting your valuable time in browsing through free YouTube videos. This is easily possible, and I'm going to show you how you can earn over $150 for a simple 5-minute task, current and future opportunities for SEO professionals, what you need to learn to become an SEO professional, success stories of our students, and how SEO companies charge over $4,000 per month for a simple project. Also, at the end of the training, I'm giving you 2 of my courses 100% free. I have helped hundreds of students and clients in getting SEO results, and I will share with you so that you can do it too. So, fill up the details and you will get access to the free training straight away.